Have you ever wondered about your rights concerning privacy in your own home, especially when it comes to unexpected guests or government demands? Imagine a time when authorities could force their way into your private residence, demanding lodging and supplies. This scenario was a very real fear that directly led to one of the lesser-known but highly significant parts of the American Constitution. The Third Amendment directly addresses this historical grievance, unequivocally stating that no soldier shall, in time of peace, be quartered in any house without the consent of the owner, nor in time of war, but in a manner to be prescribed by law. Simply put, it prevents the government from forcing you to house soldiers in your home, establishing a fundamental protection for property rights and civilian control over the military. The historical context for the Third Amendment is rooted deeply in the grievances of the American colonists against Great Britain in the years leading up to the Revolutionary War. Specifically, the British Parliament enacted a series of quartering acts, most notably in 1765 and 1774. These acts permitted British soldiers to be housed in private homes, inns, and other buildings in the colonies, often without the consent of the owners and at their expense. These forced quarterings were not merely inconveniences. They were viewed as a profound infringement on individual liberty, an invasion of privacy, and a symbol of oppressive British rule. Colonists resented having to provide lodging, food, and drink for soldiers who were often seen as instruments of tyranny, enforcing unpopular policies like the Stamp Act and other taxes. The experience of these acts fueled a strong desire among the founders to ensure that such an abuse of power could never happen again under their new government. While direct violations of the Third Amendment are rare today, its existence serves as a powerful reminder of the founders' commitment to individual privacy and protection against government overreach, particularly from the military. It ensures that the military remains subservient to civilian authority and that private property cannot be arbitrarily commandeered for public use, even during times of conflict, without a clear legal framework and due process. This amendment, often called the Forgotten Amendment due to its infrequent invocation in court, stands as a quiet but firm guardian of personal space and civilian autonomy. It embodies the principle that a person's home is their castle, a sanctuary against state intrusion. Its inclusion in the Bill of Rights reinforces the broader theme of limiting governmental power and safeguarding individual liberties, ensuring that past injustices would not be repeated in the new republic.